Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for watching my content. Guys, today I want to speak to you about where on your top yoke there, the NC has a little bit of a strange top yoke. You have these because the handlebar is not clip-ons, which are located down here. It's on top, so you have actually more than a top yoke. Your top yoke is situated here. Okay guys, when you look closely you can see here on this reach I have a little bit of key damage, keystroke. What I want to speak to you about today, let me see if I can zoom in a bit. There you can see, is damage to your top yoke. This one, damage to your ignition, and how to prevent that. I want to speak to you about measures that you can take to prevent damages there. Alright guys, first things first, we see a lot of motorcycles with severe damage here. Jeez guys, they look terrible. That's what happens if you have a heavy bunch of keys like this floating around your ignition all day as you drive, hammering this part of the motorcycle. Because clearly that's not going to work. Let's be fair, let's be honest to each other, there's many people riding like that. What you want is one key with one key chain. Yes, I know it's a KTM keychain guys, thank you. I had a very nice orange Honda one that I misplaced somewhere years ago. You want one key on your key. However, there are some of us that needs another key. In this case, it's for my top box. Other cases, it might be for a helmet lock, for a padlock, a disc lock, fuel cap locks. There's various things that people have to install on their motorcycles. So what I'm going to do today, look at what this thing does. It hits on my top yoke as I'm driving, and it's still, guys, it damages the painted parts of your top yoke. That's not good. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you a neat little trick of how to make a plan here to prevent damage to your top yoke. Let's get going. Okay guys, so what you're going to need: heat gun, a scissor, heat shrink, your key, and coffee. Always coffee. Okay guys, what we are going to do is we are going to make a sleeve for this key using heat shrink. So what you want to do is put the heat shrink over the key, find it, you see it ends there, cut a little bit away from there, okay, put away that. What we're going to do now is going to heat the heat gun. Guys, be careful with this. These things, not the hair dryer, it will heat up. If you do not have a heat gun, you can use a normal lighter. It works very easily and just as well. See what I did there at the end? I squeezed it quickly because it's still very hot. Okay guys, what happens now is when you go out, when you get off the bike, you do what you need to do in your top box. You leave the sleeve in the top box. Very easy. Go out, do your thing. When you come back, take this out of the top box. You just simply put it on, jump this into the ignition, and off you go. Very easy. There's no way that this thing can damage your top yoke at all. And guys, this will work with any other type of key. So I hope you've learned something today. I have quite a few things that I would like to show you with regard to car maintenance, bike maintenance, things that I've learned over the years, things that you might find useful. So why not subscribe if this is the kind of content that you are interested in. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.